Kamakura is a coastal town near Tokyo, popular for its temples and shrines, iconic giant Buddha statue, numerous trendy boutiques and restaurants, as well as its sandy beaches which attract large crowds during the summer months. If you can't make it to Kyoto during your trip, Kamakura is a decent alternative. Known as the Kyoto of the East for its historic sites and well-preserved atmosphere, it's located only an hour south of Tokyo, making it an excellent day trip destination. Kamakura has played an important role in the development of Japan, being the namesake of a major era of Japanese history. The city was chosen by Minamoto Yoritomo, one of the most important figures in Japanese history, as the seat of his new military government. Yoritomo defeated his arch-rivals in 1185 and was appointed shogun in 1192. This made Kamakura the political center of the entire country, and the Kamakura government continued to rule Japan for over a century until 1333. During this time, the culture and grand temples found in Kyoto also came to Kamakura as well, many of which can still be seen around town today. There is much to see and do in this area, so with this in mind, here are our top 5 recommendations for Kamakura. Number 5. Hokokuji Temple. On the eastern hills of Kamakura is the small but beautiful Hokokuji Temple, which is mostly known for its lush and attractive small bamboo grove. The main temple hall in the middle of the grounds, which was rebuilt in the 1920s after the Great Kanto earthquake, houses a statue of Buddha, the temple's main object of worship. Behind the temple are a series of unique, shallow caves carved into the hillsides, which are believed to hold the ashes of several of the lords who were patrons of the temple in the past. The narrow pathway through the 2,000-plus dark green bamboo stalks leads to a quaint tea house where visitors can enjoy a nice cup of traditional green tea while relaxing and taking in the views of the bamboo grove. Number 4. Hiking trails. Surrounded by the ocean and wooded hills, Kamakura offers attractive hiking trails that connect various temples in the area. These trails usually take around 30 to 90 minutes to complete and allow visitors to enjoy both natural and cultural sites while walking between different parts of the town. This network of hiking trails can be found in 3 different areas: the Western Hills, the Northern Hills, and the Eastern Hills. The trails along the Western Hills connect Jochiji Temple in Kita Kamakura with the Great Buddha in the west of Kamakura. Visitors will come across the Zenyarai Benten, where a legal form of money laundering is steeped in tradition. It is believed that washing your coins and bills in the shrine's spring will allow for it to multiply. Along the way there is the Genjiyama Public Park, with a statue of Minamoto Yoritomo, the founder of the Kamakura government in the late 12th century. In the Northern Hills, the trails connect Kenchoji Temple, ranked the #1 Zen temple in Kamakura, with the picturesque Zuisenji Temple in the far east of the town. Along the trail, there are several caves which were used as tombs, called yagura. This trail can alternatively be accessed through the Shishimai Valley, a popular autumn color spot in early December. Lastly, the trails in the Eastern Hills connect Yagumo Shrine with the Harakiri Yagura, where the last ruler of the Kamakura government is said to have committed ritual suicide. This trail offers nice views of the city along the way and is the shortest of the 3 main trails. Number 3. Tsurugaoka Hachimangu. Tsurugaoka Hachimangu is the most important shrine in Kamakura and is dedicated to Hachiman, the Shinto god of war and patron of both the Minamoto family and samurai in general. It was originally founded in 1063 and then enlarged and moved to its current site in 1180. The shrine can be accessed via a long road that starts at Kamakura's waterfront and bisects the entire city center all the way to the shrine, with multiple torii gates along the way. Alternatively, a busy shopping street leads from Kamakura Station towards the shrine, where you can buy local souvenirs as well as enjoy some delicious street foods and sweets. At the base of the shrine's staircase stands the Maiden, which is a stage where dance and music performances are occasionally held. On the sides of the main approach to the shrine, there are 2 ponds. One represents the Minamoto clan and has 3 islands, while the other represents the Taira clan, the Minamoto's rivals, and has 4 islands because the number 4 in Japanese is pronounced the same way as the word death. Various events are held at Tsurugaoka Hachimangu during the year, 2 of the most popular being the horseback archery Yabusame exhibition in September, and also at New Year's when large numbers of people visit the shrine. Number 2. Hasedera. Built on the slopes of a wooded hill, the impressive Hasedera Temple houses one of Japan's largest wooden statues of Kannon, the Buddhist goddess of compassion and one of the most popular deities in Japan. The 9.18-meter statue is said to have been carved from the same gigantic tree as the similarly tall Kannon statue worshipped at the Hasedera Temple in Nara Prefecture. The Hasedera Temple grounds boast picturesque gardens, as well as caves that feature multiple sculptures of Benten, the goddess of feminine beauty and wealth. Along the stairs leading up the slopes stands the Jizo-do Hall, which houses hundreds of small statues of the Jizo Bodhisattva, who is believed to help the souls of deceased children to reach paradise. Close to the main hall, visitors can also admire a beautiful view of both the city of Kamakura and the ocean. Hasedera can easily be reached in a 5-minute walk from Hase Station along the Enoden Railway, whose streetcar-like trains connect Kamakura with Enoshima and Fujisawa. Number 1. The Great Buddha Statue. Located a 5-minute walk from Hasedera Temple, the Great Buddha is Kamakura's most iconic attraction. The 11.4-meter tall statue stands on the grounds of Kotokuin Temple, is ranked among the top 3 Great Buddhas in all Japan alongside the Great Buddhas of Nara and Takaoka, and is widely considered to be the most handsome amongst them. Cast in 1252, this bronze statue was originally located inside a large temple hall, which was later destroyed several times by typhoons and a tsunami. Since the late 15th century, the Buddha statue has remained sitting in the open air. For a small additional fee, visitors can enter the interior of the Buddha statue, which allows for an interesting perspective on the thickness of the bronze cast, as well as the statue's height. If you decide to visit Kamakura's Great Buddha, also make sure to keep an eye out for his sandals, which are displayed on the temple grounds in a unique way. We hope that this top 5 list inspires some ideas and gives you a good place to start when planning a trip to Kamakura for yourself. For more information about any of the places mentioned in this video, or to explore another region, click the links on the screen now, or head over to japanguide.com, your comprehensive, up-to-date travel guide first-hand from Japan. Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for future videos about Japan. Happy travels!